Hello everyone, welcome to part 76 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will start working on the shopping cart page, and in this part we are going to convert shopping cart HTML to Laravel Blade, and also we are going to show the cart items with image, detail and price. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we are going to resolve few issues. Here you can see the header menu is not coming correctly. Here you can see there is some layout problem, some CSS issue that actually comes after we add the bootstrap. So we need to make one change here at the layout blade file. Here we will move the bootstrap, this one bootstrap CSS to the top, okay, like this. So it may resolve the issue. So I'm going to refresh it, and you can see the issue has been resolved. Okay, now it seems to be working fine. Okay, so everything else seems to be working fine. Also we will check once that it is working fine. Okay, so now we will go to the t-shirts category, and I'm going to select one of the product. And here one more issue is here, like if we will not select any size, then we'll click on add to cart, it will show the error. To resolve this issue, we need to select one of the side. This is required. Okay, so we can easily handle it by adding the required there in for the sizes. I'm going to search for the sizes. Okay, and simply see this one. I'm going to search for this one, this particular word. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I am going to add here required. Okay, so I will try now. We will refresh and click on add to cart, and here it is saying please select one of these options. Okay, so the user is required to select one of these sites, and after the user select this site and will click on add to cart, then this product will get added to the cart. So you can see this product is already added to the cart, so we can't add. This one is already added, and we will try to add the large. And now see large size we can able to add. Okay, we can click on cart. See the cart page still needs to come because we are going to create the cart page now. Okay, so let's follow these instructions that you can find found under video. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to create the route, this one for our cart page. So see, I'm going to close these files. Okay, so I'm going to open the web.php file, and here we are going to create the route. After add to cart, we will add this cart route. Okay, we can also write here shopping cart route. Okay, so after adding this one, we are going to create this cart function in ProductFrontController. So we are going to create this one, uh, ProductFrontController. I'm going to open, sorry, I'm going to open this ProductController. This is actually ProductController. This is the alias that we are using, ProductFrontController, so that it will not mismatch and will give error. So I'm going to open the ProductController at the front, and after that I'm going to add this card function. Okay, so that will return to the cart blade file that we are going to create in our next step. Okay, so after adding this, so we are going to create the cart blade file, and that we are going to create inside resources, views, front, products. Here we are going to create. So I'm going to open any of the file, and we'll just will save that file with the another name, that is the cart.blade.php file, like this. Okay, and also we can remove this app content. Okay, this app content we will replace. I'm also going to remove this one as well. Okay, so here we will get the content from the our template, that is sidemakers template that we have downloaded earlier in this series. So, okay, so I hope that you are having this template. If you are not having, then please download it from sidemakers.in website. Okay, so so here I will bring that card.html page in Sublime, and here I am going to copy that app content that we have just moved here. This app content, I can search from this app content here in cart.html, and here you can find this one. So this is the app content then we require. I will just copy and I will just remove all this and will paste this app content that we have copied from cart.html. Okay, just we are going to align it as well. And now see, now we are going to check once whether the card page is coming. I'm going to directly open this card like this, and you can see the card page is now coming fine. Okay, so we can able to see the card page, though the images are not coming, but we are going to dynamically show the products here in for each loop. We are going to show the products. Okay, so let's continue with the other step. And now see, we are going to create this get card items function in the card model. Okay, so this function we are going to create inside the card model that we have created in the last video. Okay, so this is the card model in which we are going to create this function. Okay, so the purpose of this function is to check the card items. If the user is logged in, then we are going to compare it with the user ID. If the user is not logged in, like this is the case that we are in right now, because the user login register process is not done so far. So we are checking with the session ID. We are going to check with the session ID. Okay, so we are going to fetch all the card items with the session ID. Okay, so after getting these card items, we are going to return these card items as well. So here this card function, we are going to copy this card function once again, and we'll get card items in the card function this time. Okay, and return that to the card blade file. Okay, here you can see that we able to fetch the card items from the card model. We will call that function that we have just created and return that card items to the card blade file, where we are going to add the for each loop. But before that, we will add few relation. See, not only the card item, we will also fetch the product details of every card item. So for fetching the product details, we will create the belongs to relation with the product. Okay, so this relation we are going to add in the card model as well. Okay, so we are going to add this relation here so that we can able to fetch the product details as well. And also we will able to fetch the brand and images detail under the product as well, so that we can able to show the brand as well as the product image as well along with the product details. Okay, so once again we will modify the get card items, in which we will just use this product relation. Okay, so we are going to update this get card items once again, so that we can able to attach this product relation with both the queries. Okay, so after doing this, the step that we are going to take, we are going to add the for each loop. Okay, in the card blade file, we are going to add this for each loop in the card blade file, so that we can show all the products there in the card blade file. Okay, so here we are going to see this one is the items, and we are going to replace these items. I'm going to remove two of the items, and one item also I'm going to replace it with the item that is coming in the for each loop dynamically. Okay, so here you can see that we able to loop through all the card items like this. Okay, so you can see that we able to loop through all the card items. And this one we are going to add the cart model. Here at the top we are going to add this session as well as the auth at the top. Okay, so now we are going to check whether we able to get the card items or not. Yes, see, this is the product we have added so far. Blue t-shirt with the small, medium as well as the large sizes are coming here as well. You can see the small, medium and large size along with their prices, and here you can see the quantity as well. Okay, so finally we able to add the products here in the card, and we can able to see the products as well. So one more product we are going to add now. Let's add the red t-shirt this time. I'm going to select this red t-shirt, will select one of these sides, click to add to cart, and then we will go to the cart, and here you can see the red t-shirt we able to add in the shopping cart page with the small size. Okay, so this one is working fine. Okay, so in the next part we are going to show the subtotal, grand total as well, the correct subtotal as well as the grand total. Also we will show the discount percent as well. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.